Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy DJ90 aka Mr Keys aka DJ90 Keys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, it's a new year, so we are back with a new vibe. Today I'll be showing you how I made this beat that you are hearing in the background. So without any waste of time, man, let's get into the video. So first thing first, what I did, I started with this this piano right here. I have this piano, is from Keyzone Classic. It's a piano from Keyzone Classic. So the preset is Yamaha Grand Piano. So this is how it sounds like. Yeah, that's how it sounds like. I didn't do much. From there I have my strings. As you guys know that we are always using one string, so this is how it sounds like. It just copied the chord from the piano. Yeah, that's my strings right there. So let me show you how I did the drums. So on drums I started with this clap. This is how it sounds like. Yeah. So here I just played with the velocity a little bit so that we can have a variety of sound, so that it doesn't sound the same. From there I have my clap too, because that was the clap one. I have this one again. It sounds like this. Yeah, just like that. Then from there I have this sound. I have this sound, I think it's a clap. Yeah, so it sounds like this. Yeah, just like that. Then I put a lot of reverb on top of it. So I also have this sound here. I think it's another clap. So this is how it sounds like. Yeah, just like that. So I also have my this is my bongo right here. So it sounds like this. Yeah, that's how it sounds like. So I also have my my snare. I have my snare drum. It sounds like this. So it's a different vibe altogether. It sounds like this. Since it's an Afrobeat, you gotta have like something like that. So I have my kick right here. I have two types of kicks. So the first one, just play like this. It's like that. Then from there I have my second kick. This one it's a little bit different at the end, but it still sounds the same. It's like this. Yeah, like that. So you just put more of the rhythm on top of the beat. So I also have my shakers right here. I have this shaker. Wait, before I show you the shaker, let me show you this other drum I played. This other sound. Here is the sound. So the sound like this. So in order for one to achieve this sound, like, you must be able to play with velocity, because velocity changes the way a note is supposed to sound. So when you are playing with your velocity, it kind of produces different note, like altogether, like a different sound. So when you are playing like that, it gives more of a rhythm, as if this sound that you're playing, it was played like real life time. So this sound, just listen to how it sounds. This sound is so good. So it sounds like this. You can see how the velocity affects the whole sound altogether. Yeah, so that's what I did. So let me play the drums so far. It sounds like this. So those sounds, when they connect, they sound like that. Then when we have our kick right here, actually let me just put it right here where we have all of the drums. So here they sound like this. You can see like, yeah, that's how it sound like. Then from there I have my shaker as usual. So my shaker sound like this. So that's how my shaker goes. Then I have second shaker, cause it's Afrobeat, bro. You gotta have a lot of shaker in there, right? So this another shaker. It sound like this. Yeah. Then I have the third one, which add more vibe into the beat. So it sound like this. Yeah. Then all together they sound like this, all the shakers. It's like they have more room. They are wide. They're able to cover a lot of space, right? Yeah, so that's how they sound like. So from there, from the beat, I have my my sub bass, right? So this is also the bass line of the song. So it goes like this. Yeah, that's my sub bass. So the sound is from hypersonic. So you just go to hypersonic, then you go to sync basses, then from there here sub bass, then you click this one, then yeah, you operate the operation. So from there I have my, I wrote sax. I don't think it's a sax. Let's see. It's a solo tenor from Purity, right? So you go to Purity, then you go to woodwind, and you go to solo tenor. So it sound like this. This is how it sound like. Sound like this. Yeah, I put a lot of reverb on top of it and delay, just to give it, you know, that effect. Then again, I have my flute right here. So let me show you where I got this sound. Okay, it was from Purity again. Same way you enter, just change. It's a pen flute. So it sound like this. This is how it sound like. Yeah, more reverb, more delay, and that's how it sounded like. So we also have this guitar. I found it from Flex, right? So it's a guitar from Flex. Flex, it's a stock plugin. It comes with FL Studio. So just go there and you find a guitar that will work for you. So I wanted like a little bit of guitar to put motion onto the boot, not to do much, but to at least be there in the background. So this is how my guitar sound like. Yeah, that's how my guitar sound like. So I EQ'd it, I compressed it, and a lot of reverb and delay as you could hear it. Then I also have my sound here. I just renamed trumps. You know, sometimes I rename sound however I wanna rename them, but it doesn't necessarily mean that's the sound. So let's see where I got the sound from. It was it's a Purity. The sound is trombone, right? So you go to Purity, then go to brass section, and the trombone. So this is how the trombone sound like. Yeah. So this sound, it that's what we call in music, what we call call and respond kind of thing. This is what this sound does with this flute. I just renamed flute and this thing. So they play together. They like, another one is calling, another one is responding. So they sound like this when they are together. Like, it makes sense when they are together. They sound like this. Yeah, so when they are together, they do just that, right? So they kind of play together. Then I also have my of course my tag, you know, guys, DJ 90s beat. So here is my tag right here. So it sounds like this. DJ 90s beat, that's my tag. So guys, yeah, that's the whole beat. So let me play to everything when they are together, how they sound like. This is a dope vibe, man. It's a different vibe altogether. So it sounds like this. Yeah, man, so that's how I made this kind of beat, guys. So when come to Afrobeat, there are no rules. Actually, when come to each and every genre, there are no rules. You just have to be creative in the studio and put a lot of vibe. You just have to, you know, do your thing. So guys, that's how I made this kind of beat. It's a nice beat. It's a different style altogether. So I just thought, let me just come up with something different. So this is how I made the thing. So guys, thank you for watching the video. You can go ahead and support the channel. You can like, comment, share and subscribe. And guys, I'll see you into another video. I'm DJ 90 and I'm out. Peace.